Okay, so me and Devaney are at a party.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
All the other people went outside. We like it inside.
It's just an abandoned house we found. It's awesome. Did you hear that?
I don't know, that's kind of creepy.
It's stupid. Probably them.
It's moving.
Hello?